Bye mga dato, so today vlog natin. Kalalabas lang namin ng bahay ngayon. At ngayon magbibideo lang kami. Papakita lang namin yung mga gagawin namin ngayon. Hi! Hi! Say hi! Pa bebe? Are you a baby? You're not a baby? Are you a baby, so? EJ, are you a baby? Oh, don't go outside. Come here. So, ayun guys. Nandito ako sa kabilang bahay kasi nandito ako sa kabilang bahay kasi nanonood sila sa bahay. And then ito, bahay ni mama ko. So, hi! Hi! So, yun. Magbablog tayo sa mga anong ginagawa ng mga anak ko kasi kalalabas lang nila ng bahay simula kaninang 9 AM to 5 PM. Ngayon lang sila nakalabas. So, dahil na din sa busy ako at ayaw ko silang hindi. Dahil na din sa ayaw kong palabasin sila kasi masyadong makulit sila pag naglalaro sa labas kung ano nung binubungkal. So, ito si Bunsa. Bunsa! What are you playing? Bunsa! Look! Look sa cellphone ni mama, oh. So, say hi! Hi, kuya! Hi! What are you eating? What's that? So, ayun guys. Are you tired?
Yay!
Say, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Can you kiss mommy? Can you kiss mommy? Hi. Hi. What's your name? EJ. What's that? Ate? So, ayun guys. Pawis na. Kasi ngayon na naman lang sila nakalabas. Ito, isa. O, tiglok. Pawis po ako, sabihin mo. Pawis po ako, sabihin mo. Yan. So, ngayon, ito lang. Ito lang ako, upo. Ganyan. Ito, bahay ni mama. Bahay ko yun. Yun. Yung maliit doon, bahay ko. And then, bahay ng kuya kong isa. Papatayo. So, isang compound kami dito. 3 bahay. What is it? What is it, baby? Are you hungry? Look, mommy. Do you want to eat? What do you want? Ang cute naman ng baby ko. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? How about you? Are you a baby?
No, I'm pagod.
Are you pagod?
Yes, my electric fan.
Do you want electric fan?
Yes. Oh, yes.
You want also?
Yes.
Are you both tired? Kuya, like that? Did you run? Oh. Kuya, come here. Come here. EJ, come here. Are you tired?
Yeah. Look, mommy.
What's that? What's this?
It's coming.
It's Komi. It's not a Komi. What's that?
After that, A.
Sulat ka A?
Yeah.
Good job. What's that?
Daddy, A.
Letter A. Very good. And then what's
Daddy.
letter D?
What's my button?
Letter L. Letter E. Do you want to watch Pejimas? Oh. Nanonood pa sila. Letter A. Very good. Letter T. Ang good job naman ng bunso. Letter T. Letter T. No? Is it letter T? Letter E. Letter K. Letter K. What's that? Letter E. Where are you going? Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? You make a house?
Yes.
How about you, Bunso? Letter A. Balis ka pa yung slipper mo. Letter A. Smile, Bunso. Come here. How's that, Kuya?
I'm thinking of my superhero.
Ano yan? Ano yan sa...
Egg.
A. Oh, excuse daw, excuse. Excuse, alis dyan. Come here, come here. Come here na.
Mama, halika na dito.
Where are you going?
Come on, let's go.
Where?
Come on, let's go.
Saan? Come here, come here, come here.
Come on, dito. Come on, dito.
Let's go here.
Ayaw mo come on, dito.
Are you scared? Take it play.
Yes, go.
Are you playing? Bye. Kita, alis na. Ah. So guys, hope you like my video today. Ito lang yung video ko ngayon. Umaambon na kasi, kaya stop na kami ng video. So bye-bye na. Bye!
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Notification bell. And
Ito ko na.
like the video, and please
Wait.
wait. Nagugulan daw. Wait.
And,
So yun guys, thank you for watching.
bye-bye.
Wait.
Bye-bye. Wait.
Always remember, stay positive sa life, and Allah bless us. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye na so.
Kada.
Bye.
Bye. Kada
Bye.
ambon na.
Ambon na? Close na. Ganun na.